What if I told you that the most powerful version of ChatGPT, GPT-4 Turbo, is available right now for free, and almost nobody knows where to find it? No, I'm not talking about the basic, free version of ChatGPT. I'm talking about the premium model, the one people actually pay for. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to access this incredible AI without spending a single dollar. Stick around, you don't want to miss this.
So what exactly is GPT-4 Turbo? In simple terms, it's the faster, smarter, and more optimized version of GPT-4. Think of GPT 3.5, the free model, as a reliable family car. GPT-4 is like a luxury sports car, and GPT-4 Turbo, that same sports car, with a high-performance engine, more power, more speed. It has two major upgrades. First, a massive context window. Older models forget things after a few pages, but Turbo can remember and analyze the equivalent of a 300-page book, all in one conversation. Second, it has more up-to-date knowledge through early 2023. And most importantly, it connects to the live internet. You can ask it about recent events, something older models simply can't do.
Here's the secret. The key to free GPT-4 Turbo is Microsoft Copilot, formerly known as Bing Chat. Here's how to use it. Step 1. Go to copilot.microsoft.com. Step 2. Sign in with your Microsoft account. You can use it without signing in, but you'll face strict limits. Step 3. Choose the right chat style. You'll see 3 modes: balanced, precise, and creative. For the best Turbo experience, pick creative. This mode is designed for detailed, imaginative responses, powered by Turbo. But let's not just talk about it, let's test it. Here's a question I asked. Act as a social media expert. Create a weekly content plan for a new YouTube channel focused on AI tools. Include video ideas for Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, each with a catchy title and short description. And look at this. It gave me a full, organized table with real content ideas like top 5 AI tools for productivity, clickable titles, and even mini scripts. This level of strategy and detail is what makes Turbo stand out. So, if it's this good, why do people still pay? There are 3 key reasons. Number 1, it's Microsoft's version. You're using OpenAI technology wrapped in Microsoft's filters and search system. This changes how it responds, slightly. Number 2, usage limits. Yes, it's free, but not unlimited. There's a daily cap. After that, you may get downgraded or have to wait. Number 3, no access to custom GPTs or Pro tools. Paid users can use advanced tools like the GPT Store, custom GPTs, and data analysis tools. These features are not available on Bing. So, for everyday users, Copilot is amazing. But for power users, ChatGPT Plus still offers real value.
Let's recap. Go to copilot.microsoft.com, sign in, select Creative Mode,
And you've got free access to GPT-4 Turbo. Try it out for yourself. Ask it something fun or complex, and let me know in the comments what it came up with. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips and tools.